We just ran out of water, and this is day we filled up on Monday, and now it's Thursday, so Zach's having to go see if we can fill up water here.
What?
Can you get water?
Yeah, what?
What'd they say?
I just asked if I could use the hose. She said, yeah. I mean, I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to.
So we are in Waco, Texas today. We spent the night here last night in a Walmart parking lot. We weren't happy about where we were in Austin, so we just decided to drive on to Waco. So we're here. We were gonna go eat Magnolia table this morning, but we didn't even get out. The line was wrapped all the way around the building into the road. Just people standing there waiting to get in. So we decided to scratch that. We came to check out this local bakery that did not, they didn't have food today. Found this amazing juice bar. And I left with this little turmeric shot, and Zach left with a really good smoothie. So we will see you guys in Waco today.
I don't know which ones are which. I got a Tipsy Chick. That's the Independent. That thing is the Trashy Trailer Park. Or maybe this is the, I don't know.
You like being on the camera, huh?